guys, Jess here with Sass and Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sunflower flag using the Cricut Design Space program. The sunflower flags are pretty popular. Just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about, something that looks like this. I made this actually using the Silhouette program, but I wanted to make one using the Cricut program. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your clean canvas, and you're going to go over to Images, and you're going to type in your sunflower. And actually, those are mine, but that is the one that I have found works the best, is this one right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to make that a little bit bigger, is I want 2 copies of these because I'm going to, in a sense, break them apart, so to speak. Now, in order to do that, I would go over to Contour, which is down here in the bottom right corner. And I basically want to hide everything but the very back piece. So all I will have is this piece right here, which is the background. Don't need that just yet, so I'm going to just hide that for now. I'm going to highlight this one, go back to Contour, and now I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to keep everything but the background. So I'm going to click on that one, and that gets rid of the background. So all you are left with is this right here. Now you can go and look for your flag that you have uploaded. And you're going to click on that and insert it into your program. Now, the program basically sees this as a shape, so to speak. I mean, it is an image, but Cricut recognizes it as a shape. And as you know, with the Cricut program, when you want to slice something, you can only slice 2 things at once. So what you're going to do is, actually, I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to move this over my sunflower. I am going to send it to the back. That way my sunflower, or my sunflower is on top of it. And now I can kind of move my petals to where I want them to be picking up like some colors. You know, do I want like most of it with the blue, you know, half of it, like just personal preference, really. So then what you do is, that's where I like it. So now I'm going to highlight both of them together. And you'll notice down here, my little slice icon lit up, meaning that I can slice these 2 images now. So I'm going to do that. And at first glance, it may look like, well, nothing happened. Well, it did. I'm going to move my sunflower out of the way. And then I'm going to delete some of these pieces because I don't need them anymore. And that's what you have left. Then you can take your background and move it underneath your petals. And there you go. You have just made a sunflower flag. I hope that you find this tutorial helpful. I would love it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be doing more videos for Cricut as I can make them. Next tutorial I'm going to do as a follow-up to this one is to how to cut this in half so you can make images where it's a half of the sunflower with the words to the right of it. So be on the lookout for that tutorial as well. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you all later. Bye, guys.